Hello students, integration of 3 to 7, 1 by root upon x minus 3 into 7 minus x and integration of minus 2 to 8 dx by root upon x plus 2 into 8 minus x. Is it possible to solve this integration in less than 1 second? Yes, it is true. The value of this integration is just pi. Now see, what is the trick behind it? Alpha to beta dx upon x minus lower limit and upper limit minus x. If you find this type of sum, the value always will be pi. Now look, this integration 3 to 7, that is lower limit equal to 3 and upper limit equal to 7, and in the denominator we get root upon x minus 3, that is x minus lower limit, and 7 minus x, that is upper limit minus x. So the value obviously is pi. And here minus 2 to 8, in the denominator root upon x plus 2 into 8 minus x, we can write this in this style: minus 2 to 8 dx upon root upon x minus of minus 2 and 8 minus x. So we can apply the trick here: x minus lower limit, that is minus 2, and upper limit minus x. So value of this integration is also pi. Integration of 5 to 8 root upon x minus 5 into 8 minus x, minus 3 to 6 root upon x plus 3 into 6 minus x. Can you solve in less than 1 second? Yes, it is possible. The value of this pi by 8 into 9, and value of this integration pi by 8 into 81. Do you want to know what is the trick behind it? Let's see. Integration of alpha to beta root upon x minus alpha into beta minus x, that is root upon x minus lower limit into upper limit minus x. So value of this integration is pi by 8 into beta minus alpha square. Here lower limit equal to 5 and upper limit equal to 8. So applying this trick we can get pi by 8 into beta minus alpha, that is 8 minus 5 square, that is we get pi by 8 into 3 square, that is 9. So value of the first integration is 9 pi by 8. And what is the value of second integration? Here you see lower limit equal to minus 3 and upper limit equal to 6. So we can arrange like this: minus 3 to 6 root upon x minus minus 3 and 6 minus x, that is we get x minus lower limit and upper limit minus x. So value of this integration is pi by 8 into upper limit minus lower limit square, that is upper limit is 6, lower limit is minus 3. So we get 6 minus of minus 3 square, that is pi by 8 into 6 plus 3, that is 9, 9 square, that is 81. So we get pi by 8 into 81.